Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to add contacts on WhatsApp web easily using the InTouch app extension. First, open your Chrome browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type InTouch app, phone contacts, and data saver. Once it appears, click Add to Chrome and then Add extension to install it. Next, go to the top right corner of your browser and click the puzzle piece icon to access extensions. Find the InTouch app and open it. Log in with your existing InTouch account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Now open WhatsApp Web by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone's WhatsApp app. With WhatsApp Web linked, look for the red plus button from the InTouch app extension. Click it and select Add New Contact. Fill in the details like name, phone number, email, or any other information you want to save. Once done, click Save and Chat. And that's it. The new contact will be added to your WhatsApp and a chat window will open instantly so you can start messaging right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.